Rotary Club at Doral presents the 5th edition of the Art Fest at Doral. The 5th annual Art Fest at Doral will showcase works of arts by over 100 artists from around the world. Showcasing a variety of mediums including painting, photography, sculpture and jewelry. Art Fest at Doral is for the entire family. It's a community event where children are invited to use their creativity in different mediums with the help from professional artists. Rotary of Doral recognized the lack of organized arts and culture in the new city of Doral. Since the beginning, both the city and the Art Fest has grown bigger. The spirit of Rotaries has been to bring arts and culture to the community. A free and open public event where children and adults can enjoy, experience and explore the arts. This year the Art Festival will be at a much larger facility at the Carlos Albiza University in Doral.